Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to land Sukuna's new Black Flash in Realm Rampage in the easiest way. To land the Black Flash, first understand the context. This is a powerful finisher move that can only be executed when your opponent's health is low, making it different from other moves that can be used at any time. Next, initiate the move by using Sukuna's third move to trigger the Black Flash. Make sure you are targeting an opponent with little to no HP for the best effect. Timing is crucial. The Black Flash requires precise timing, so practice the move in various scenarios to get a feel for when to activate it for maximum impact. Incorporate the Black Flash into your combos for added effectiveness. Start with basic attacks and transition into the Black Flash as a finishing move. For visual guidance, consider watching quick tutorials available on platforms like YouTube. These can provide insights into the mechanics and timing required to successfully land the Black Flash. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.